the digital backbone of our entire modern world isn't built by a single corporation, but by a global army of volunteers. Today, we're uncovering why the open source model outperforms proprietary software and how this collaborative spirit quietly powers your smartphone and the internet itself. Open source thrives because of Linus's law, which states that given enough eyeballs, all bugs are shallow. When code is transparent, thousands of developers worldwide act as a distributed security team. Take the Linux kernel. It powers everything from your Android phone to the servers running the New York Stock Exchange. Because anyone can audit the code, vulnerabilities are patched faster than any closed source company could manage internally. Beyond security, open source drives innovation through shared labor. Instead of every company reinventing the wheel, they build upon a common foundation, Kubernetes or React. This modular approach allows businesses to focus on unique features while relying on community-tested tools for the heavy lifting. It transforms software from a locked door product into a communal library of human ingenuity. Surprisingly, even the world's most profitable tech giants contribute heavily to open source to protect their own interests. But why would they give away their secret sauce for free? The answer lies in standardization and long-term ecosystem dominance. By making code open, companies create industry standards, ensuring their tools remain the default choice for developers everywhere. This shift proves that collaboration isn't just altruistic, it's the most efficient way to scale complex technology. By lowering the barrier to entry, open source creates a bigger pie for everyone involved. Open source succeeds because it leverages the collective intelligence of the planet rather than the limitations of a single boardroom. If you want to see which projects are currently changing the industry, and check the pinned comment below.